Right. Whoops. Whoa. All right. So here is my pig pen we've been using. Not for pigs. Ducky was in it. But now I'm going to take it apart and move it to the garden so our butcher pigs can go into it. Our little butcher pigs we just are getting. Our garden is on the other side of the yard. So I'll also get my workout in today. So this is how we're moving our pig pen. We've made it all straight. And the farm truck's gonna pull her. So I guess we'll see how this goes. This is what you do. Hold on, we'll follow it. This is what you do when you don't want to take it all apart. Come on. Stay behind Mom, right? Just don't want to hit our propane tank. Oh man, guys, this is working pretty freaking handy. Hold on, baby. Alrighty. So, we got our pen where we want it. Our pen is, yeah, you can go now. Our pen is where we want it. And we're going to set it in, put it in here. And the pigs are going to do some rotary tilling for us. So for right now, little bacon bit pen is done. So they're gonna root up the garden. We can't fit anything over here. So Josh is just quickly rotary tilling it. And then we'll just move the pigs along as we want. Hello everyone, so I just got home from picking up our 3 new bacon bits that we're gonna grow out through the summer. And we will butcher this fall, or at least 2 of them we'll butcher this fall. And then 1 we can't decide if we're going to keep it to breed or not. But I picked them up in my truck today. My truck, no trailer, just my truck. The people I picked them up from could not believe that I was going to just put my pigs in the box of my truck with the topper on. How else am I gonna haul them? I'm not gonna freaking haul a trailer all the way for some 60-pound pigs. My box is quite big enough for the whole 45 minutes. So we got home and I'm in my house. I'm like, what is that ruckus? It's the pigs. I can hear them from my bedroom on the other side of the house out here. Yeah, are there pigs in there? Mm-hmm. So I text Josh. I'm like, hey, listen, these 60-pound pigs are a little too much for me to handle by myself. And obviously my kids can't help me because 1 is 3 and 1 is 2. 1, I guess, technically. And so I was like, when are you going to get home? Like, they are literally going to destroy my truck. I have never brought home pigs that are as rambunctious as these 3. So now I'm just waiting for Josh to get home so we can put them in the garden, I guess, technically, for a few weeks. Okay, so I'm going to show you these pigs I bought. Because you know when someone says they got pigs and they're still little, you go, okay, whatever. Let me show you how big these suckers are. Yep. Hello. They're huge. Look at these bad boys. Hey. We got 3 of them. I have no idea if they are female or males. I mean, we did not bring home a boar, so I guess it would be castrated, obviously, but there's 3 in there. Yo. Come on. Till they're in my truck. We need the chasing stick. They're content in there. Oh, here they go. You want me to go in there? I need to bleach my truck now. Oh, we have a female. That's a female. I do not know what... I think that might be a boy. He is castrated. Whoops. And what is another... Right?
Looks like it.
And another... What are they called? Are they still boars?
I don't know what they're called.
Well, we have another little castrated male. So we have 2 males. Whoops. And 1 female. So I guess we will be eating the 2 castrated males. And that pretty female, we will be keeping her. Okay, so I just read this. So just like that, they are officially in their makeshift pen. Which, depending on how much they root, we will move them every couple days, I believe, and let them rotary till our garden. So, yay! Thanks for watching. Good morning! So we went away on a little vacay, and we came back, and one of our newest meat pigs had gotten out, and she'd rototilled our whole garden for us. Rotary-tilled my greenhouse for me because I left the door open. So I'm going to show you how good they worked. So she rotary-tilled this for us. And then this was where they were. We now have to get the rotary tiller going in the next week or 2 because they kind of over-tilled some spots. Or Josh and I, let's be real, money is hard to get. We have so much that breaks all at the same time. So if we can't get the money to fix our rotary tiller, we're going to go right to the store. We're going to buy one and we're going to do it all manually because that's life. So we moved them out of their pen last night because the one got out and we were like, well, let's just move the other ones because now the garden's been rotary tilled. Like, we were gone for 12 hours. 24 hours. Like, we left at 5 p.m. on Saturday and we got home 5 p.m. on Sunday. And she got out. It was our fault. It was our fault, not her own. We forgot to tie. Here, I'll show you guys. We moved them and we forgot to tie this piece right here farther down. Like, we have it tied up here and we forgot to tie it down here. So when she was like rooting stuff, she just pushed it out and got out. None of her own fault. It's ours. Luckily, she literally did not get to anywhere else in the yard but our greenhouse and the garden. So she is perfect. I think it was the female that got out actually. But now we just have this little bit. Yeah, if we can't get the rotary tiller going, like a cheap fix, then we're just going to go to town and I'm going to get one and we're going to do this manually. How do you think they put in gardens way back when, right? And now I'll show you my greenhouse, but I'm really super excited about it. I should have videoed us moving the pigs because the one that was out followed me to our meat pig pen. And then the other 2, Josh was like, I don't know if they'll follow. I was like, I think they'll follow. And he's like, oh, let's just be safe. I was like, touche, like we can't have loose pigs. So Josh chased them around the pen, got them in my truck. That was a whole ordeal. She got into my greenhouse that I had all pretty, so I'm going to have to bring in a rake and re-rake it and all that. But yeah, she really did a good job. They did a great job. We kind of figure when we do it again this fall, like after we pull out our garden, we will move them every day. So hopefully we won't get these big ruts. Like, we're leaving them for 2 days. And 2 days they were just rutting it up too much because you see we have like a hill here and then we go down, and so now we got to fix all that. But they did really great. We're really happy with the progress they did. So we really can't complain. I did have onions or chives here, but they no longer exist. So I'm going to have to go and buy some because I didn't buy some because they come up every year. But looks pretty decent. Now we'll just see if we can get this bad boy going. Because that's not supposed to move. and it does. So get Josh to load it up tonight, because you know he doesn't have enough to do with working and then coming home and trying to help me with all my crazy ideas. But super excited. Garden is done. I'm just gonna pull these weeds, rake it a little flatter, and then I think we're good to plant. Might even plant next weekend if it's nice. No, we won't plant next weekend because we're butchering a pig. So there is our progress. We are excited. We are proud of them, and we definitely would do it again.